Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this 67-ounce thermos. This thing is a really neat idea. It comes with like this lunchbox that you can take with you. Like if you've got several different warm things you want to bring or cold things you want to bring, it's got a nice little insulated lunchbox in here. And then on the inside, you actually have a bento style boxes. But before we do that, I'm going to show you this little lunchbox. It has a carrying handle you can just carry on the top, or it has this strap that you can strap onto the sides as well. And then you can put it over your shoulder or carry it in a different way. So the bento boxes, there are 3 of them in here. So in this nice insulated container, it's got a handling thing as well. And you open the top up. So we've got 2 15-ounce bento boxes and 1 20-ounce. And then this is in a nice stainless steel, a 304 stainless steel container in here too. So this has got a lot of ways to keep this insulated. And it's got this ventilated top on here too. And then you just open that up and that's where you would then put your food. So each one of these, they are all stackable. So whenever you put them on here, you can just put them inside your cooler container and then inside here again. So we're gonna take these out. These are all leak proof. So if you did wanna put like a soup or something in there, they have the nice little rim around the inside so that way stuff doesn't leak out. Let's go out and put some food in and test it out. So I've got my boxes out here just to show you how they don't leak. And I add some water in there. So that way if you have soup or something, you can put it in here and tighten it up and no water is coming out. So that's awesome. Another little tip for these is if you are gonna be using like a hot food, you can actually prep these in hot water first and then add your hot stuff. So that way it stays warmer for longer. So we can actually put other foods in there. If you did have something cold, same thing. You can put this in the refrigerator, but you just put some food in there and that way it helps keep that cold and you can take it out for your lunch. So then you can put everything inside there. You twist this on and then you are ready to go for having your things hot and cold for whatever lunch or picnic or anything you're wanting to go to.